TE Connectivity's heat shrink tubing is simple to install and can improve your equipment's insulation, protection, sealing, and organization. When you receive our heat shrink tubing, it will be in its expanded state. This allows it to easily slip over whatever article you're applying it to. A good guide is that the tubing should be at least 10% larger than the article you're looking to cover. To heat the tubing, use either a hot air gun, a hot air oven, or an infrared oven. Once the temperature rises above its melting point, the tubing will begin shrinking to its original state. Hot air guns give you more control, but require more attention. If you use a hot air gun, avoid air bubbles by directing a steady airflow from the center to each end. Ovens are designed to uniformly heat the tubing. They also come in different sizes depending on your needs. Use either option properly and you'll have a nice, smooth application. And that's it. Now your equipment is better protected from moisture, environmental chemicals, and mechanical interference. Whatever your application, TE Connectivity's heat shrink tubing is a great alternative to taping, molding, or potting for your insulation, protection, sealing, and organization needs.